NYX Color Correcting Palette. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to see these two colors, yellow and orange, to cover dark circles. I hope you can see my dark circles here. I'm going to use finger to blend the product. Let's start with the orange shade. I'm going to take small quantity here. It is better to start with a small amount of color corrector and build it up as needed. It is equally important to blend it properly so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply the second layer of color corrector shade to cover the dark circles. To blend the color shade, don't drag the product, just use your finger gently to blend it. I'm going to use the leftover product on the upper eyelid area. Now let's apply the concealer. Again, for concealer, try to take small quantity itself and then you can build up the coverage as required. I'm using my finger to blend the concealer as well. So we are done here. I hope you can see that there's no orange tint and it has given a very natural look. Now let's start with the yellow color corrector. We are going to do the same thing here. We are going to apply it in small quantities, build up the coverage as required. This is after the first layer. Now here I'm applying the second layer of color shade yellow. I'm going to put in concealer now, doing exactly the same steps which we did for the orange color corrector. I'm going to blend the concealer here. Okay, so let's compare. This is the orange color corrector side. I like how natural it looks. It matches my skin color as well. Okay, so this is the yellow color corrector side. And you can see how it has also covered the dark circles and my eye area looks more brighter now, more alive. I had to apply less product of the yellow concealer to cover the dark circles. The orange was required more in quantity, but obviously that gives a more natural look compared to the yellow one. Yellow will definitely help if you want to use less product, and here are the shades for contouring which you can use. And yeah, that's it guys. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I hope to see you soon guys. Thank you. Bye bye.